Hi guys, welcome to Karo Siam Seaport, Thailand, and welcome aboard Maloa. Maloa. And these are all the guys who are on the ship.
Hello.
All Filipino, welcome on board.
Welcome aboard.
All right. Thank you. Okay, we're going to visit the ship here in Chao Phraya River. All right, let's go. That's Bangkok Port. Hello, so we're on board Vivo 307. Yes, with Jermar and Filipino. Good afternoon. Welcome to Bangkok, my friend.
Solid talaga, sulit. Salamat sa pagtulong sa mga seaman kagaya namin.
Okay, welcome na, welcome.
Sawa.
Basta kaya ng power natin.
Okay, sir. Salamat.
Okay, so yan, ating kaibigan si Michael.
Maraming salamat.
Yan, ito na, nakabili na tayo ng ari ng baka. Ito. Haba. Aanhin kayo ito ng mga seaman. Yan, dumating na ko dito sa barko. Dito na nga sila kay.
Long time no see, sir. I miss you so much, sir. From the bottom of my heart. I love you so much.
Ayan ito.
Purang magpalamig, sir.
Oo,
Hello, I'm Gerson visiting Bangkok Port, visiting the Vietnam vessel.
more. All right, so we're in the Captain's Bridge.
Like more high tech before, so yeah, like that. Soybeans.
Hello, welcome to Thailand, MV Utamaru. We have here the captain, second officer,
Third officer.
and our volunteers from Masuman Mission to Seafarers.
Okay.
Welcome to Bangkok.
Yeah, welcome to Bangkok.
Good day here to visit the ship here in Lam Chubang Port. Yes. We meet some Ghanaian, Ukrainian, and Filipino.
Yes. And one Indonesian.
All right. Here. So this is Lam Chubang Port in Thailand.
Yes.
All right.
All right.
Hey, thank you so much, Mission to Seafarers, especially for Father Day Pinay. It was such a blessing na pinuntahan kami. So,
Welcome.
almost 2 hours, right? Pinuntahan kami dito. Talagang sinadya kami. What a blessing, guys. So, thank you so much, Father.
Welcome po at salamat din sa pag-welcome niyo sa akin dito. Thank you very much. God bless po sa inyo.
So, next time na makabiyahe kami ng Thailand, I will keep in touch.
Yeah po. Welcome po.
So, guys, kain tayo. Okay.
Yan, so mula sa Mission to Seafarers Thailand, welcome to Thailand. enjoy Thailand, sana mag-shore life kayo.
Okay, kain na.
much. Good luck ha. Okay, hindi na ako makasama sa'yo doon. Hindi na, upo din. God bless ha. Welcome. Hanggang sa muling pagkita natin, sana makasakay ka ulit. Sige, God bless. Sige. Okay lang. Ha? Sige, pagaling ka. Basta yun ang isipin mo. Pagaling ka muna. Come on, Maka. Sige. Wow. So, ito na yung ating mga tinanim. Ito, malaki na. Tinabuan na nga ito ng ano eh. So to take care of the mangrove, we have to remove this one. Wow. Wow. Simpuhan talaga eh.
Oo. Wala na yung ampon. Tapos may
Oo. Ayos pa. Good morning, kuya.
morning. It's a good day. Sarap ng hangin.
Ano sila iba?
Sarap pa yung kaya.
Sa